Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are safe and doing well. During Covid-19 pandemic lockdown, Indian Railway has arranged special train service for their staffs to enable them to reach their workstations safely. Location Sodpur, Zone Eastern Railway Division Sealdah. It is in the Sealdah Naihati route. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel and turn on all notification bell. Your likes, comments and share will inspire us. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram as SPD Rail Fan. Keep in touch with us. Happy and safe rail fanning. Thank you.